Good morning all. Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that is fish tale. In this chapter we discuss about some fishes and its shapes. On the basis of your textbook, I will play a video. You just watch that video.
Meenu and Cheenu meet Little Lilliput. Good morning, Meenu. Where are you going? Good morning, Futta. I am going to my friend's house. Her house is near the river. Do you also want to come with me? Yes, Meenu. That will be fun. I will also come. Meenu, even I will come with you. Cheenu, are you coming? Yes, Buzz. Even I am coming. Raja, come. Let's go. The river looks so beautiful today. Everyone, look there. Look at that little fish. It is playing in the water, Buzz. It looks so beautiful. Oh, look. It is swimming and coming near us. Good morning, everybody. My name is Lilliput. I live in this river. Do you also live nearby? Good morning, Lilliput. You are very beautiful. My name is Meenu. This is my brother, Cheenu. These are our friends, Futta and Buzz. And this is our little puppy, Raja. We live in the village. Oh, you live in the village. I live in this water. I am a goldfish. Look over there. Can you see that school of fish? Those are my friends. School of fish? I can only see a group of fish there. Buzz, we call a group of fish as school of fish. Oh, just like a bunch of flowers or an army of soldiers. You are right, Buzz. Just like that, a group of fish is called a school of fish. But Lilliput, why are they all swimming together? Oh, we feel safe when we swim in a big school. Otherwise, bigger fishes come and attack us. We also have another trick to save ourselves. Small fish drink up lots of water to swell up and look big. This scares away the bigger fish. What a funny thing to do. Just drink lots of water and become fat. Lilliput, are there many big fish in this river? There are lots of big fish in this river, Futta. But the real big ones live in the seas and oceans. The biggest of all the fish is the whale shark. Whale shark? I have heard of both whales and sharks. They are different types of fish. But what is this whale shark, Lilliput? Whale shark is actually not a whale. It is just a very big fish. Oh, are whales different from fish? Yes, Buzz. Whales are different from normal fish. Whales are mammals like us. They breathe like us with their noses. That is why they keep coming out of the water once in a while to breathe air. Oh, do they remain underwater the rest of the time? Do they keep holding their breath? Yes, Buzz. A whale can hold its breath up to half an hour before it comes up. Half an hour? Let me try holding my breath. Friends, you also try. Oh my God! god! I can't even hold it for a minute. But whales can hold their breath. But fish don't have noses. I also do not have a nose. We take in water, not air. I know one more difference. Since the whale is a mammal, it gives birth to babies and fish lay eggs. How big are these whale sharks, Lilliput? Ooh, they are really huge. They can easily grow up to 40 feet in height. 40 feet? I am nearly 5 feet. Many of my friends are also nearly 5 feet. So, if 8 of us stand one on top of another, all of us together will be as tall as a whale shark. Oh my god, that's really big. Meenu, how? I will tell you, listen carefully. A whale shark can grow up to 40 feet. As each of my friends are nearly 5 feet, we need 8 friends to come up to that height. That is because 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Oh, is it like that? Then I will not even be as big as its eye. I? Don't even think, Buzz. You are so small that it will not even notice you. Lilliput, how heavy does a whale shark grow up to? Oh, very, very heavy. A whale shark can grow up to 2,500 kilograms. 2,500 kilograms? That's like a giant. Meenu, your weight is only 30 kilos. The weight of 8 of your friends who are 30 kilograms will be only 8 multiplied by 30, which is 240. That is 240 kilograms. But a whale shark can grow up to 2,500 kilograms. That is almost 10 times more than that. Oh my god! If 8 of my friends weigh 240 kilograms, then 80 of my friends will weigh 2,400 kilograms. So, a whale shark is almost as heavy as 80 of my friends. It's really heavy then. Meenu, do you know something? Once there was a whale shark that weighed 15,000 kilograms. It was really huge. How many of your friends who are 30 kilograms each put together will weigh like that whale shark? Let me do this, Meenu. 15,000 kilograms. That's like a huge giant. The weight of each of Meenu's friend is 30 kilograms. So I have to do 15,000 divided by 30. I will do 1,500 divided by 3. Which is 500. 500 friends of Meenu? I don't think Meenu has so many friends. Putta, I can't even imagine. That's right, Meenu. There are different types of things that live in the rivers and seas. Look, I am so tiny. A whale shark is so huge. An eel looks like a snake. A sea urchin looks very different. It has sharp things on its body.
I know. Even a prawn, squid, and a lobster look different from a normal fish.
I have seen a crab. It also lives in water, but it looks so different. Have you ever seen an octopus? It has 8 legs. It looks very different and swims differently too. There are so many different types of fish in the sea. That's why fishermen go and catch them to sell in the market. Lilliput, have you seen the fishermen? Yes, Buzz. Once I went to visit my relatives who live in a big sea. At first, I was very scared of the big waves. I saw many fishermen standing on small, simple boats that went up and down with the waves. I thought they would fall down, but they were very careful. The boats were just logs of wood tied together. It was very early in the morning. The sun hadn't come out, and so it was very dark then. I know. Fishermen leave very early in the morning to catch fish in the sea. Grandma told me that the fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. I can never find out the way in a sea. It is water, water and more water all around.
You are right, Buzz. We cannot find out the way. But Lilliput, the log boats would be very slow. How can fishermen catch fish with that?
Yes, the log boats move very slowly. My uncle said that they can travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. That too, only if the wind is helpful. I think even I can walk 4 kilometers in 1 hour. My school is 1 kilometer away from our house, and we take 15 minutes to walk to our school. If we take 15 minutes to walk 1 kilometer, then to walk 4 kilometers, we will take 60 minutes. That is 1 hour then. Buzz, suppose the fishermen want to go 10 kilometers into the sea in the log boat. Can you tell me how long it will take them? I can do it, Meenu. For 4 kilometers, it takes 1 hour. So, for 8 kilometers, it will take 2 hours. I have to find the answer for 10 kilometers.
To go 8 kilometers, it takes 2 hours. That means I have to find out how long will it take to go 2 more kilometers.
If 4 kilometers take 1 hour, 2 kilometers will take half an hour. So, the boat will take 2.5 hours to go 10 kilometers.
Right, Buzz?
Did everyone watch that video? In that video, a group of friends, they were just passing by a river. While they walked very nearer to the river, they saw that a group of fishes in that river. And one of the fishes come towards to them. and they introduced themselves. And it was a golden fish, and its name was Lilliput. And she told to them that a group of fishes behind her. And she used that group of fishes, instead of that group of fishes, she used a word that school of fishes. That is, a group of fishes is known as a school of fishes. Like that, a group of flowers as a bunch of flowers, and a group of soldier as an army of soldier. And after that, they told to the Lilliput that is there any huge fish? And the Lilliput replied that huge fish is there, but it's not in that sea. The huge fishes are in ocean. That is, and one of the huge fish is a whale. And a whale, and they tell about that whale. That is, whale is it's a mammal. That means it gives birth to the young ones, and they breathe with the help of their nose. And the story continues. And on the basis of that story, in your NCERT textbook, some problems are there. We will do that. The first question is that when you think of fishes, what shapes come to your own mind? When you think of fishes, what shapes? What are the shapes? Here I draw this. It's look like a rectangle. When you close here, it's a rectangle. And here I draw a triangle. Now listen. Okay. Now here it's tail. It's also a triangle. And its eyes, that part, and face, that part is look like a triangle. So we get the shape of the fish like this. And the another shape is that here a triangle. That is here a triangle. And draw another triangle is here. And draw a tail. Now also we get a fish like this. Okay. The shape of the fish. The next is try to use a square and a triangle to draw a fish. Just try to use a square and a triangle. We can use a square and a triangle to draw this fish. Square is in this shape, but we can't do with this square. So we just draw the square like this. Okay, and a square and a triangle. Now its tail is look like this. Now it became a fish. The next is draw a face with the fish eyes. Draw a face. A face we can draw with the fish eyes. So you just draw a face. Any face you can draw. Here, and its lips. But its eyes is look like a fish eye. It's very near to like a fish. Okay, these are the questions from your textbook. Now we can solve more questions on the basis of the numbers that we will do on the next class. Okay.